Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is McKenna, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I designed this home decor / home accessories Shopify website. This website looks perfect on desktop and mobile, and in this tutorial, I'll be using the softwares Shopify and Canva. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, you can set up a free account and create all kinds of graphics such as logos and web banners. So without further ado, let's get into this video. The first thing I'm going to do is open up Shopify, and you're going to go to Online Store and then Themes. When you scroll down, you'll see Shopify's free theme library. I'm going to be installing the original Dawn theme, and this is going to be the base for our website. Once that has installed, you're going to click Customize. When you click this icon right here, it will show you how the full screen version of the website is going to look. When you click on this phone icon, it will show you how the mobile version of the website will look. First, I'm going to click on this header, and under desktop logo position, I'm going to set this to middle center. Right here under the announcement bar is where you can change the text of the announcement bar. Click on the announcement bar, and I'm going to be displaying the social media icons. Click on theme settings, then social media. Here, you can paste the links to your brand's social media accounts. And as you can see, they will display up here on the announcement bar and down here on the footer of your website. When you scroll down and then scroll back up, you'll notice that the header will pop up. That is called a sticky header, and right here under sticky header, I'm going to be removing that effect. Under logo, here you can upload your brand's logo and favicon image. I'd recommend that your logo is in a transparent PNG format. Under desktop logo width is where you can increase the size of the logo. I'm going to click typography, and I'm going to be setting this main font to the font serif. Then I'm going to set the secondary font to cabin bold. And that is how I designed the header portion of the website. Next, I'm going to be showing you how I designed the slideshow section. First, you're going to want to click Add Section to Templates, and you're going to import a slideshow. I'm going to scroll down and remove this image banner. I'm going to remove the heading text and the subheading text, and I'm going to remove the container on desktop. Under desktop content position, set this to bottom center and apply the outline button style. Then you can title this button label and paste a link to a page or a product collection within your website. For the second slideshow, I'm going to repeat all of those steps. Click Add Block, and once again, I'm going to repeat those steps. And for this slide, under desktop content position, I'm going to set this to bottom left. Alright, and next I'm going to be showing you how I designed these web banners. So I've opened up Canva, I'm going to click Custom Size, and the dimensions I'm going to do are 4320 by 2160 pixels. You're going to click Elements, then scroll down and open up the grids. I'm going to apply a 3-grid background, and I'm going to remove the grid spacing. When you click Upload Files, you can upload your brand pictures that you're going to add straight from your computer. Then you're just going to drag and drop these onto the screen. And then you can repeat those steps for the remaining pictures. Click Element, then I'm going to upload a square shape. I'm going to click on Text, then upload a text box. I'm going to change this to the color white, then put this in uppercase, and I'm going to apply the font Dream Avenue. I'm going to duplicate this text box, and I'm going to position this on the left side of the screen. Click Effects, then apply the Lift effect, and that will just add a sideways text effect. Add another text box. For this, I'm going to apply the font Hamilton. Click Add Page, and I'm going to be copying and pasting this rectangle element and changing it to a light gray color. Under Elements, you're going to go to Frames, and I'm going to upload a square frame. I'm going to duplicate this and position this to the back. Duplicate it one more time and position this to the back. Then you can drag and drop your pictures. I'm going to upload a text box, put this in uppercase, apply the font Futura, and also put this in bold. I'm going to apply another text box, put this in uppercase, and apply the font Dream Avenue. Then I'm going to duplicate this text box to create a small tagline text. Click Add Page. I'm going to be copying and pasting that rectangle element, upload a square frame, then upload a square shape. Then I'm going to position this backwards. Then you can drag and drop a picture. Upload a text box. I'm going to put this in uppercase and apply the font Dream Avenue. Upload a text box and apply the font Hamilton. Then upload one last text box. I'm going to put this in bold, then uppercase. Once you're done, these will be our 3 web banners for the slideshow. You're going to download each of these in a PNG format for the best quality. Here on Shopify, you're going to click Select Image, then upload that main web banner. Under Slide Height, I'm going to set this to Adapt to First Image. Then under Pagination Style, I'm going to set this to dots. Then for this second slide, I'm going to upload the second web banner. Then you're going to upload the picture for the third slide. Once you're finished, that is how I designed the slideshow section. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know that this Shopify theme template is now available on my website. This is a pre-made Shopify website template. If you're unfamiliar with Shopify templates, it will come in a zip format. And here on your Shopify homepage, you can easily install that into your store with a few clicks. This will save you a ton of time. This is a full template bundle, so it also includes all of the Canva templates that you'll see me creating in this video. All of these Canva templates are compatible with the free version of Canva, so all you'll need is to set up a free Canva account to open, edit, and download these templates. There is a detailed instruction guide included in case you need any help editing the Shopify template. This is very easy to edit. All you'll have to do is add your pictures and change the text. That will be linked in my description box, and make sure to use my code Beverly20 for 20% off your order. Also, in case you just don't have time to design your Shopify store, I do offer theme installation. So if you order this home decor Shopify theme from my website and also get my installation package, I will install this theme into your Shopify store and customize it for you. That will be linked in my description box as well. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the collection list. You're going to click Add Section to Templates. Here, I'm going to add a collection list. Under Heading, you can retitle this section. Under Image Ratio, I'm going to set this to Portrait. Then you can click Select Collection, and it will allow you to select each collection you'd like to feature. Make sure to enable the View All button if your store has more than 3 collections. Really quickly, if you're unfamiliar with collections on Shopify, they are just collections of products that you've chosen to put together to keep your shop organized. Once you're finished, that is how I added the collection list. I'm just using these as examples, but the title of the collection will show right down here. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed the About Us section. So here, I'm just going to add an image banner. You're going to remove this second button label and apply the outline button style. Then you can title this button label and paste the link to a page or a product collection within your website. Then type in your About Us section text. Now I'm going to show you how I designed this background image. Here on Canva, you're going to open up those same web banner pages and click Add Page. Under Elements, you're going to upload a grid. Then you're going to duplicate this. Then you're going to lower the opacity. Then you're going to duplicate this. I've searched for a faded element, and I'm going to upload one of these. Then I'm going to duplicate this effect, and that's going to create a shadow effect. Then you're going to drag and drop your pictures. Then you're going to upload a text box. I'm going to apply the font Authentic, and here you can type in the name of your business. Then I'm going to duplicate this. Once you're done, you're going to download that page. Here on Shopify, you're going to click Select Image, then upload that background design. Under Image Behavior, I'm going to apply a fixed background position. Once you're done, that is how I designed the About Us section. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed the Shop Qualities section. So here, I'm going to add a multi-column. I'm going to remove this button label and remove the heading text. You're going to remove the column background and set the column alignment to center. When you click on a column, under heading, you can type in a quality that your shop has to offer. For example, you can put quality materials or fast shipping. And under description, you can put a mini description to match. Here on Canva, I've opened up that same web banner page, and I'm going to click Add Page. Under Shapes, I'm going to upload a circle shape. Then I'm going to duplicate this. This step is optional, but I'm going to search for a faded circle element, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of this, and that is going to create a subtle ombre effect. And by the way, if you don't have Canva Pro, just make sure to use their free elements. Then you're going to upload an icon to match one of your shop qualities. I'm going to duplicate this page, then duplicate it one more time. Once you're done, these will be the icons to represent the shop qualities. You're going to want to download each of these. On Shopify, you're going to click Select Image, then you can upload each of those icons. Under Image Width, I'm going to set this to half width of column. That is how I designed the Shop Qualities section. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the featured collection. So here, I'm just going to add a featured product collection. Under heading, you can retitle this section, and then when you click select collection, you can choose which collection you'd like to feature. For an idea, most people feature their best-selling collection. Once you're finished, that's how I added the featured collection. Also, I've had a lot of you guys asking me questions regarding the basics of Shopify. So for those of you who are brand new to Shopify and you're unfamiliar with how to add products, how to set up your Shopify payments, and how to read your analytics page, I do have a Shopify basics guide. This is a detailed Shopify guide that breaks down everything you'll need to know about the basics of Shopify. In this guide, I've included a collection of written explainers, video tutorials, and live examples, that way you understand each section. This guide will teach you everything that you'll need to know to get your Shopify store ready for launch. That will be linked in my description box. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the customer review section. So here, I'm just going to add a multi-column. I'm going to remove this button label. Under heading, you can retitle this section. I'm going to increase the number of columns to 4. Then set the column alignment to center. Under heading, I'm going to be pasting these star emojis. This will represent the customer's rating. And under description is where you can paste in the customer's review. I'd also recommend putting the reviewer's name. I'll be using this text as an example, but you can also paste the link to the product they left their review on. Once you're finished, that is how I added the customer feedback section. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed this next web banner. So here, I'm going to add an image banner. I'm going to remove the second button label. Then you can insert your text. Next, you can title this button label and then select a link. Here on Canva, you're going to click Add Page. I'm going to open up Frames and apply a square frame. Then I'm going to duplicate this. You're going to upload a text box. I'm going to put this in uppercase and apply the font Dream Avenue. Then I'm going to duplicate this. Then you can drag and drop your pictures. When you're done, you're going to download this page. Here in Shopify, you're going to click Select Image. And I'm going to set the banner height to adapt to first image. Once you're done, that is how I designed this web banner section. Next, I'm going to show you how I added the email signup and the blog post section. So here, I'm just going to add an email signup. You can retitle this heading. And I'm going to set this to color scheme 2. Under colors, I'm going to open up color scheme 2 and set this to a light gray color. Then I'm going to apply a multi-row. And I'm going to remove this third row, but you can leave that in if you would like. Under heading, you can type in the title of the blog post that you're going to be featuring. You can also type in a mini description and a caption to match. Then you can title the button label and paste the link straight to that blog post. Then you're going to upload an image to represent the cover of the blog post. Once you're finished, that is how I designed the email signup and the blog post section. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed the Instagram post section. So here, I'm just going to add an image banner. And I'm going to remove all of the text and the button labels. Then I'm going to add a rich text. I'm going to apply the outline button style. Then you can paste the link straight to your Instagram. Here on Canva, I'm going to click Add Page. I'm going to upload a square frame. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to be designing this in a sort of stair-step pattern. Then you can drag and drop the Instagram post that you're going to be featuring. I'm going to search for a leaf icon, and I'm going to add one of these to the background. Then you're going to search for an Instagram icon and upload one of these. I'm going to lower the opacity of this, then upload a text box. I'm going to apply the font Hamilton, then I'm going to upload another text box, put this in uppercase, then apply the font Futura. Then I'm going to duplicate this and create a smaller text right below it. You're going to upload one last text box. Here you can put your Instagram username, apply the font Futura, and I'm going to put this in italic. Then you're going to download this page. Here on Shopify, you're going to click Select Image. Then you can upload that web banner. And I'm going to set the banner height to adapt to first image. Once you're finished, that's how I designed the Instagram post section. Alright, and here is the finished website. And as I mentioned before, this Shopify theme template is available on my website. It is a fully done-for-you Shopify theme template, and if you're unfamiliar with Shopify template, it will come in a zip format. Here on Shopify, you can easily install that theme into your store. It includes a step-by-step instruction guide to help you with editing. And this is a full template bundle, so it also includes all of the Canva templates that you saw me creating in this video. This will save you a ton of time. And also, in case you just don't have any time to design your website, I do offer custom theme installation. So if you order this Shopify theme along with my custom installation, I would go in and install this Shopify theme into your store and customize it for you. That will be linked in my description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in another style of Shopify website, check out this video here on my channel.